Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're a music enthusiast or an aspiring producer looking to create music on your Android device, you're in the right spot. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best music studio apps available, designed to help you compose, record, and mix your own tracks with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, these apps offer powerful tools to unleash your creativity. Let's dive in. G-Stomper Studio. G-Stomper Studio is a powerful music production app that caters to musicians and producers looking for a comprehensive mobile solution. It features a digital audio workstation DAW-style interface, allowing users to create, edit, and produce high-quality music on the go. The app includes a variety of tools, such as a beatbox, sampler, sequencer, and synthesizer, empowering users to craft intricate beats and melodies. G-Stomper Studio also supports MIDI, enabling musicians to connect external devices and expand their creative possibilities. With a focus on usability, the app features an intuitive design that makes music creation accessible for both beginners and professionals. N-Track Studio DAW. N-Track Studio DAW is a versatile music studio app that allows users to record, edit, and mix multiple audio tracks. Designed for both amateur and professional musicians, the app provides a user-friendly interface with a wide range of features, including real-time effects, various plugins, and a comprehensive mixer. Users can easily record vocals, instruments, and MIDI tracks, and then layer them to create complex arrangements. The app also offers built-in virtual instruments and support for MIDI controllers, making it easy to experiment with different sounds. Its collaborative features allow users to share projects with others, enhancing the creative process. FL Studio Mobile. FL Studio Mobile is the mobile version of the popular desktop DAW, known for its powerful music creation capabilities. This app offers a complete music production environment, featuring a step sequencer, piano roll, and various synthesizers to create rich soundscapes. Users can record and edit audio, apply effects, and mix multiple tracks with ease. The app also includes support for MIDI input, enabling users to connect their favorite MIDI controllers. With its high-quality sound engine and user-friendly interface, FL Studio Mobile provides a seamless music-making experience, making it an excellent choice for musicians who want to produce professional-quality tracks on their Android devices. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best music studio apps helps you find the perfect tool to start or enhance your music production journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more music tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.